For JTables to work efficiently, we need to import a jar file rs2xml.jar. So we'll open up our Google and type rs2xml.jar download. When you hit and enter, we'll go for the first link we encounter, sourceforge.net. Click that. Downloading would happen automatically. Okay, so now I've downloaded rs2xml. Uh, they are telling, do you want to keep the file? Yes, I do very much want to keep my file. So that's done. Now let us go back to our Eclipse. Now I've opened up my Eclipse. I'm planning to have it in my first swing package. So you do have in all your projects, you do have something called JRE system library. These are the set of JAR or jar files which are already existing over there. Now what we want to do is we want to add up the new rs2xml. So to add up a new jar, you can simply right click and go to build path, where you can either remove jar files or you could add up jar files. So we are going to add up a jar file. So I'll go for configure build path. So these are my jar files which are already existing. I need to add an external jar file out of the current system library. So I'll click external jar. I have it in my downloads. I'll click it, open, apply, and close. I'll refresh my Eclipse a few times. Once you're refreshed and you open up your project, you will be able to see a new folder called reference libraries rs2xml.jar. So, which means, you have worked with your rs2xml.jar. So let's open up a program where we are doing our JTable. I've just opened up a random program. Now, when you look into this rs2xml jar, you will have a lot of packages over here. Now, for your JTable to work efficiently, you will need this package called net.prot.enit.sql. Now, in this, we will want this dbutils class. This is the particular class which we want for our JTable to work effectively. So I'll just type things over there. Import net.proteinit.sql dot. It is this particular class which we want, dbutils. So once you have imported this, your JTables will work efficiently.